One of the reasons why you are not getting paid high, or you are not going to get paid high when it comes to working online, is because you are not demonstrating your expertise. Now, clients online are willing and able to pay you 5,000, 10,000, hundreds of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars per project. But that is only if you can prove and demonstrate that you have a specific expertise in the field in which you want to go in. It's almost like if you want to build a house for somebody, right? And you say you're an architect and they ask you, show me houses you've built. And you're like, well, I don't have anything to show the houses that I've built in the past, but I want $10,000 or $100,000 for XYZ project. Then how is your client going to feel comfortable and confident paying you this amount if you haven't demonstrated your expertise? So when it comes to working online, if you want to get the higher rates, you need to demonstrate your expertise in the specific field in which you are applying. And there are different ways in which you can do that. You can do that either by your online profile, you can do that by your cover letters and your resumes, and you can also do it by your portfolio or by the way you pitch yourself to online jobs.